They do got some bacons right here going for 70. Comes with extra laces. Pretty interesting. At the Air Max backpacks right here, you do get 30% off. I'm back here for another one of these for $30. All right, how about a couple other things? I can't stand this freaking outlet right here. Like, look at the lines, holy cow. But yeah, I had to come to this outlet for some other reason, so figured let's look around, let's see what's up. Look at the line, dang. Usually all this is part of the clearance wall. Dang, dude, bunch of backpacks. All right, 30% off backpacks right here, and then 30% off the back wall as well. Dude got some bacons. What these going for? I just grabbed a pair of these for ridiculous. Okay. These go for $70 as well. That's what's up. That is what's up. Damn. Size 10 for these bad boys right here as well. Told you guys to be looking out for these. $70 for the Air Max 90 bacons. Multiple sizes here already. Size 8 Lucas going for $95. Adjust Forces going for $170 in multiple colorways. Size 9 Airspan. This is outrageous. That's freaking outrageous. Holy cow. We've seen these for like $30 at other spots. Got Cortez's size 9, $100, so $70 after discount. Seen these at JD Sports going for $50. They're going for retail minus at $30, so still more than JD. I feel like we've seen these on sale cheaper at Shoe Palace, $180. You do get 30 off, but I think they're cheaper there and you get full box. This kind of stood out for me. Got some nice suede and stuff like that. These ain't bad. SB Force 58s right here. This size 8.5. Going for retail though, $80. Cortez is right here, $90. These are 7.5. These Airspans go for way expensive too, $85. Holy cow, these are size 10. Another one of these. These are 9.5 still. Go for 70. But these are some interesting dunks right here. Oh, I thought these were Nike by you. No, $135 for these. Comes with extra laces. Pretty interesting. Spider, like a Spider-Man or something? I don't know what the hell that is. I've never seen that. Black, white, gym red, $135, size 10. And these just made the back wall. Crazy how having a top and no top, big difference. And I say that because East LA, as soon as they hit the back wall with full box at 70, all scooped up by the resellers here. Resellers don't like this place that much because it's kind of a pain in the ass, but also no box top, so kind of a pain to sell, like not as easy to sell. Then of course we're gonna see plenty of these. This is like the size 10, 11 section, but got size 12 right here. $180 though. Seen these Metcons for $35. These are a bigger size, but I don't see them in the size 10.5 though. All right, I'm seeing if I missed it. No, I don't see no Metcons. 10.5. At that price, I might take a size 11, but no, I don't see none. Just bigger sizes. Size 12, Metcon 9, go for $95. Jordan Take 1 right here, or one take. My bad. One take, go for $80. Over here, 12 and above. A lot of things extended size price right there. You can see the gray label. These are going for $70. That is not appropriate extended size pricing. Come on now, it is a gray, but it's not really the price we want to see. 80 tray 5s right here going for $45, size 12. Some interesting Huaraches runners right here, $70 for those. Jordan 1 Golf, what they talking about? $105. I saw these Metcons earlier, only size 12, 12.5 and above. Bastards. Zions right here. Holy crap, look at this. $35 and then a discount on top. Holy crap. Got the Witness right here going for $50. These are a size 13. Remember, you get another 35 on top. Got the Rui Jordan 37s right here. 95, you get another 30 off on top. And you also get these Jordan 1 cleats right there as well. But you get 30 off, but it's regular price. Well, regular price, then 30 off. 120, size 14 right there. So for big feet gangs, it looks like they did a bunch of extended size pricing, like We just saw this in a smaller size. It was like 90. Oh, that's not even the right box. But Big Feet Gang getting all kinds of love. 120 for these. These Metcons, if you work out. 35 is crazy. 120 for size 15 Vapor Max right here. AD's going for 45. The Big Feet Gang got plenty of stuff right here, and then got Air Max 90 Bacons. That's what they got for our regular people. Check out some of the backpacks right here. Do got the Air Max backpacks, and dang, I thought these were the really nice ones. Nah, not really. Look at the strap, kind of cheap, $92. Oh wait, 60, then you get 30% off on top. So that's not that bad, but not one of the premiums, especially at $92. What the hell? Come on, we need better straps. All my Jordan backpacks, and like even this one right here, the strap feels nice and thick. Got some girth to it. Why does that word make me laugh so much? $45 for these, $50 for these bad boys right here. This one looks like more of a premium backpack. And this, I don't know the regular price, but yeah, this is pretty nice. It's pretty nice. But yeah, these are going for, yeah, these are 92, going for 45. Nike Elite backpack, 60, then you get that 30% off on top. Budget ones going for 30, hella cheap. They have a bunch of these budget ones, 30 for these, 40 for these, 25 for that one right there. All right, let's check out the aisles. I do need to go to one other place. Got Jordan 1 highs right here, and these are gonna continue to fall. GT Cut Academies, Hyper Dunks, we've seen these for way cheaper at most of the outlets. Got the budget Jumpmans right here, the Team J's, the generics. To be honest, it's hard to call them budget Jordans because shoot, most of them are over $100, like MSRP, right? Some are like 140, 150. But yeah, I do got Immortalities right here. Got the budget signatures, and these are all under $100 MSRP, and then they go down even further in price. Got Immortality 3s, got the KD Trey 510s, Witnesses or Witnesses, I don't know. LeBron 21s. These have all been going down in price, right? Got some next gens right here. These will continue to fall as well. Some kid was like wondering if you should buy those next gens, and I'm like sticking my camera right there. Nah, man, that's a ripoff. That's a ripoff. I didn't tell him anything, but yeah, do got Roshis right here going for hella cheap. Got Hirachis right here. Got some Nike Attacks, and then got these bad boys right here going for way too much. Got Blazers, acronym Blazer Lows. Got some of the Vapor Mask Mocks right here. Got pretty big crowds. Got Noctas going for 110. Pretty big crowds here though. Penny 2s right here. Always got 270s, and almost all the time they're retail. What the hell? Got Air Max 2017s too. Looks like they just got these in stock. Got some Nike Trails right here. These are the Juniper Trail 2s. Pegasus Trail 4s. They got Metcon Freeze. Then the apparel at Nike's been pretty mediocre, but I kind of want to check out this Tech Fleece right here. $100. You get 30 on top, so that's what, $70 for that. Got Nike Yoga right here. These are going for $43. 30% off. That's actually really nice. These are thin, pretty thin though. What's up with this Red Sox? $74, man. Pretty much retail. At least you get 30 off, I guess. Oh, the Navy Tech Fleece right here. What these going for? What these going for? 120 still. God dang it. Got a jacket right here. Tech Pack jacket. What they talking about? Oh, they talking about too much. That's what they talking about. More Red Sox gear right here. Is this hella cheap? Nah, not really. 40 or $39. Too much. Starting my Christmas shopping for my workers like way early. So if I see certain things that some of my workers might like, I might just grab it. Because that's how you get the best deals. Finding stuff when they're on sale, not finding stuff when you need it. So yeah, 35 for these San Francisco shirts. All right, they do have some decent stuff. The Air Max Bacon's definitely something that's worth stopping by. I'm gonna go post that on a YouTube short, so make sure you guys stay tuned. I need to go because I need to go somewhere else. So I might add another video because this is definitely not long enough. And I primarily came to this outlet for a couple other stores. And I came here because these are normally $45 for 3 tank tops a piece. And online they got it for hella cheap, so I think they match them. I think they match their online prices because here it's only 40% off, so it'd be what? That'd be what, $25 or something like that? Online they have them for 16. online they had an additional 10% off, I think. They could have matched that, but I got them for $18 instead of like 25 or something, so that's what's up. The other reason was Banana Republic. Your boy Koo needs a dress shirt. And this is supposed to be slim fit. I don't know, I don't really have a shirt underneath and it's like hella loose. God dang, dude. It's a size medium, that's crazy, dude. And it's not like I like this shirt, I just need to know what size to order if I order something online. Apparently, your boy needs a small, dude, what the hell? Small? That's the first time, damn, dude. And of course, the one that I want, they don't have any smalls, they just have mediums and XLs. I'm gonna have to order it online. Son of a monkey. Son of a bitch, damn it. All right, it is the next day, back in East LA. Back here for another one of these for $30. Ooh, they got a medium too? They got a medium. The mediums weren't here before. That's why you gotta continue checking. They did not have mediums before. They were all smalls. But yeah, these are normally $120. They're down to, what, $30 freaking dollars? $30. They have only mediums and small though. But now they do have mediums. I think I'm gonna grab a small for myself. My kiddo wanted one, so I gave mine to my kiddo. Yeah, I'm gonna try both. Last year, my kiddo hated hoodies and pullovers. Now he loves hoodies and pullovers, so he did grab one. He did grab the one that I took home. This is, what is this? This is a medium right here. This is the medium. This one is the small. Which one should I get? Is this one a little tight? I'm wearing a, what do they call it? A tank top / wife beater, as well as a jersey. The jersey is like super bulky compared to just a regular t-shirt. This is with just the tank top on, no jersey. I think I kind of like the way it looks. I kind of like the way this looks. Is it gonna shrink though? You know, I kind of like the medium. I'm gonna go with the medium. Yeah, hoodies should be a little bit loose. Yeah, I'm good with that. Seeing if I missed anything or if they have anything different from yesterday's video. I did talk to the workers. These still are not ringing up for 50% off. I told y'all, just random stuff does not ring for 50% off. They said for whatever reason, these dunks are not. They have had other dunks that do ring up for 50 off. All right, I'm grabbing two. We're starting Christmas. Oh shoot, I can't say it because some people do watch the video. But yeah, I'm grabbing two. I think one will come in handy for later. All right, I bought a couple other things, but I don't want to talk about it because it does involve presents and stuff. But Tech Fleece, I did get the medium, $30. Are you effing serious? Freaking love this story, guys. Foot Locker outlet. You know, like the stuff that they have, it doesn't change drastically, but I do come here all the time, like probably like once a week, once every other week, because the sizes do change. Certain sizes, certain things like that do change. Their inventory changes because Foot Locker stores are always sending them stuff. So definitely worth the stop, you guys. Definitely worth the stop. Make sure you guys help away, press that like button, and then I'm off to another store. So yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned so you guys could see a little sneak preview of tomorrow's video. All right, did get a couple of deliveries. Got some orange label dunk lows right here. These are SB dunk orange labels, only available at the orange label was it K-Chops? Yeah, but got a couple. I think they only had a size 9. Yeah, they had a size 9 for my kid, had a size 10 for myself. Yeah, I don't see like the, oh, there's some extra padding on the back and stuff. The padding doesn't seem crazy. I'm 99% sure 10s will fit me and a 9 will fit my kid. Super clean white shoe. Just can't get enough of all white sneakers. I freaking love. Can you call this all white? It doesn't have orange right there, but it is triple white. Got this from Ruckus. They did get a restock. Oh, we got a triple white. They got it listed as triple white. Did get it from Ruckus. I even showed this on my Instagram. I didn't show that I got these, but I showed that they got a restock ton of Dunk Low SBs. Yeah, I got a couple of these. Pretty dope, man. Pretty dope. Out at Nike Outlet Citadel, of course. Got crazy crowds. Then got some interesting dunks in a colorway that I've never seen before. Got webbing and everything. 30% off. But also seeing Air Max Bacons right here. Bacons go for 70 freaking bucks. And it looks like it just hit the back wall because I'm seeing plenty of sizes. Size 9, 10. Got them in multiple sizes. Going for 70 bucks. No box top though. Unfortunately, don't see any Bacons in the huge sizes over here though. But plenty of steals for Big Feet Gang as well. Metcon 9s go for $35 after the savings. And even Jordan 1 lows, what is that, $50? Under 50 bucks? Of course, they got huge lines here as well. Oh, it actually went down. But yeah, I got a full video coming out on the Cool Kids YouTube channel. Make sure you guys check it out. Did I scoop up one of the Air Max 90s? We'll find out. Once again, all the way out in Ontario Mills. And I've been to a couple of Nike outlets. They're not doing 40% off the back wall. All right, so this is the cheapest I've seen these. Wow, $88. And you get 40% off. 40% off apparel as well. See what's going on here.